Basically, we just want you to tell us what transpired today in court, knowing that it's a celebrated case and everybody's been watching keenly. Nigerians have been watching to see exactly how this is going to play out. What exactly transpired in court this morning?
Basically, the matter was fixed for arraignment. The defendant was supposed to take his plea this morning on whether he's guilty or not guilty of the charge. Unfortunately, we couldn't produce the defendant because he's been detained by ICPC. Like you know, DSS has no control over ICPC. So it was against that backdrop that we sought for an adjournment to enable us to produce him for arraignment. And then the matter has now been fixed for 23rd of April 2026 for arraignment.
Okay, yes. In a twist of fate, he has also sued the DSS for 2 billion naira on abuse of court process. How would you react to that? We also thought it was going to come up this morning on this fundamental rights suit.
No. What happened was he filed an application before this same court seeking to quash the charge. And it was in that application he sought for a relief for 2 billion naira. So that application is not right for hearing. It's premature. And we made that point to court that until the defendant is arraigned, no application can be entertained. So that's the position.
All right.
One from Mr. The defense counsel made some submissions in court that the charges were filed 16 and you are seeking 2 weeks after. And he says there is an end to it. What do you make of that statement?
No. Indeed, the charge was filed on the 16th. But ever since the charge has been filed, the defendant has been in. He was first in EFCC custody. Then subsequently he was taken to ICPC. We have no control over what ICPC and EFCC, do with the defendant. So we explained that to the court, and the court, indulged us. So it was against that backdrop that the matter has been adjourned till 23rd of April. And if you recall, we were seeking for a short date. We were saying from the 10th because we do not want a situation where we will come back tomorrow or next week and come and say the same thing. We don't have that assurance that it will leave ICPC before next week. So we sought for the 10th, but the court in its wisdom, having regard to the convenience of the court, gave us 23rd of April 2026 for arraignment. So that's the position.
Your full name, please.
My name is Oluwade.